Hi guys. So I get a lot of inboxes from men asking me my advice on certain situations that they're going through with their wives, girlfriends, just women that they're talking to, getting to know, whatever the case may be. And one thing that I noticed that is synonymous with almost every single message that I receive is that a lot of you guys are dealing with girls in grown women's bodies, immature. So today I'm going to give you guys 8 ways to know that you're dealing with a grown ass woman. Number 1 is she will uplift you and make you the best version of yourself. Not only will she speak life into you and support your goals and your dreams, but she will help you strategize how to get there. Because a grown ass woman is not going to just sit back and just watch you throw your life away. Number 2 is she won't tolerate too many games. So if you're one of those type that's like hot one day, cold the next, you're throwing out mixed signals, like you're not going to last that long with a grown ass woman. She's looking for something consistent and something solid. So if you don't even know if you could provide that for her, just don't even like step to her because there's nothing more she hates than wasted time because you can't get that shit back. Number 3 is she will be protective of you and your heart, and she will also be territorial. Notice I said territorial and not jealous. Jealousy is when you want something that you cannot have. Territorial is when you protect something that's yours. So if she's really a grown woman and she's really into you like that, she's never going to want to see you hurt. So anything that poses that threat is going to make her alarms go off because she only wants what's best for you and she only has your best interest at heart. Number 4 is she includes you in her decisions, whether it be something as small as her nail color or something as big as like where her next move should be. If she's including you like in her decision making process and her future plans, you're dealing with a grown woman because that shows you that she can plan for the future and that she's serious about you. Number 5 is she will be honest with you. People typically lie out of one main reason, which is fear. It's usually fear out of what another person might say, think, or feel. If you're dealing with a grown-ass woman, she will not fear you. She will respect you. She'll respect the hell out of you. But she will not fear you. She won't have time for lies and games because she realizes that in order to be trusted in a relationship, you have to be honest. Number 6 is she's not overly independent. Now, let me clarify. There's absolutely nothing wrong with being an independent woman. I'm referring to the I don't need a man, men are good for nothing type independent woman. You will never catch a grown-ass woman saying this because she understands the male and female paradigm. She understands the duality of the yin and the yang. One cannot exist without the other. So yes, she may have been hurt in the past, but she's mature enough not to blame all men and harness bitterness and resentment in her heart. She places the blame where it needs to be placed. Number 7 is she's not easily influenced by negative outside sources. So if she needs advice or counsel on something, she's more inclined to go seek out an elder, like someone who has been there, done that, and that's wise and knowledgeable, as opposed to one of her immature, bitter friends. She knows how to discern like the information that's given to her, and she also analyzes the source of it before even getting the information. She also doesn't participate in like gossip and a lot of he say, she say because she sees that as immature. Number 8, which is last but definitely not least, and this is actually one of the most important ones because women just ain't doing it. She's humble and she also brings peace into your life. So a grown-ass woman exudes a certain aura about herself. She sets herself apart naturally from other women. It's just a very peaceful, calm spirit. She doesn't have a lot of time or patience for drama. She doesn't have a lot of time or patience for chaos, anything like that. She understands the value that a man places on his peace, on his sanctuary. So she will try her best and do everything in her power to try to fulfill that for him and try to be that man's peace. So to sum this up, if you're not dealing with a woman who at least embodies some of these qualities, then it's probably time for you to reevaluate what you actually want in a partner realistically. Because she should have some of these qualities. Some of these qualities she should embody. If this is someone that you are entertaining and that you're giving your time and your energy to, because you cannot get that back. Once that's gone, that's gone. So just make sure that you're investing it wisely. And until the next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.